You're welcome to online lectures with Farmer the Schoolboy. Today, we'll take a look at mathematics, and the topic for today is set. The question for today will be taken from JAM past question paper, JAM 1994 Mathematics, question 7, as stated in the Prep 50 Mathematics, UTME past question, page 31, question 1. That question 1 is JAM 1994 Mathematics, question 7. Let me write the question on the board. The question says, in a science class of 42 students, each student offers at least one of mathematics and physics. If 22 students offer physics and 28 students offer mathematics, find how many students that offer physics only. Option A is 6, B is 8, C 12, D 14. 1994 JAM Mathematics question 7. Okay, let's to solve this question, we need to understand something. The universal set. We need to understand the universal set, and we need to understand subset, the union of sets, and the the intersection. So these are the things we need to do what? Understand about what? Sets. So there's an overlap here. There are some of the students that are doing both mathematics and physics. There are students that are doing only mathematics. So how do we now and also there are students that are doing only physics. How do we now calculate the number of students that are doing only physics? They didn't tell us anything about the specific number of students that are doing both of them. They didn't say. So we designate those students that are doing both of them with any symbol. So we can easily do our word calculation. The universal set here is class of 42 students. So the best way to go is to represent this in a Venn diagram. Solution. If we represent this in a Venn diagram, we have something like this. If you watch, let's here be what? Mathematics M, here be what? Physics P. Some students are doing both mathematics and physics. I can call this Y. To designate the number of students doing both mathematics and physics. Here alone, from here, contain the number of students doing what? Doing mathematics, including this Y, part of this Y. The same thing, here alone contains the number of students doing physics. So if you want to know the number of students that are doing mathematics alone, here should be this 28 mathematics, this 28 minus this Y. So we have 28 minus Y. This number of students doing only mathematics. Only. Then, you want to know the number of students doing physics only. Since here is entire listing is 22. Though doing physics only is 22 minus what? 22 minus Y. 22 minus Y. But the entire student in the class, universal set is U, which is what? 42. So how do we now take care of this? If you want to get this Y, the best thing to do is to add up everything. Number of students doing maths alone, number of students doing both of them, number of students doing physics alone, and equal it to 42. If you do that, you get Y. Y will give you the number of students doing both of them. Then, since you want to know the number of students that offer physics, you subtract whatever value you get from this. So you do 22 minus Y. It will give us number of students doing only physics. So let's do that. 28 minus Y plus Y plus Y plus 22 minus Y is equal to what? 42. This is 28 minus Y plus Y is 0. So that one will go. Plus 22 minus Y is equal to what? 42. 28 plus 22 is 50. 50 minus Y is equal to what? 42. So if we jump the sign of equality, as y goes to this side, it becomes positive. 42 comes here, it becomes negative. So you have 50 minus 42 is equal to what? Y. This implies that y is equal to what? 50 minus 42 is what? 8. So 8 students are doing both, offer both mathematics and physics. But the question said to find out number of the students offering only physics, not offering physics. Because one can be offering physics and offering mathematics at the same time. That's why they didn't say offering physics. They say only physics. This one are only offering physics only. They don't offer any other subject. They don't offer mathematics, only physics. That number is what? 22 minus y. Number of students offering physics only is equal to 22 minus y, which is equal to what? 22 minus 8, which is what to what? 14 students. 14 students offer physics only. So let's look at the options. Option A is 6, no. B, no. C, no. D, 14. So 14 students offer physics only. You want to get that mathematics. 20 students, 28 minus 8 is 20. 20 students offer mathematics only. So if you now add up 20 plus 8 plus 14, it will be 42. 20 plus 8. If here yields 20, here is already what? 8. This yields what? 14. Add up. 20 plus 28 is what? 20 plus 8 is 28. 28 plus 14 plus 10, that's 8 plus 4, 42. So 28 offer mathematics only, 8 offer both of them, 14 offer physics only. So the answer to 1994 Jam Mathematics question 7 is 14, option D. Okay, I want to give 2 minutes for questions. If you have any question, please feel free to call any of these lines. 081 3868 2003 07012945891. If you have any question, call any of these lines and I will attend to you right now. If you don't want to call, you can go to this is a live lecture. You can drop your chat on the live chat. I will attend to you. We have 2 minutes to do that. 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we call it a day to meet tomorrow. All right, before we end it here for today, I want you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel. After watching this lecture, subscribe to the YouTube channel so that whenever I am live on YouTube, you follow suit, you'll be notified. Subscribing is not difficult. Look at the red button there under the video. Click on that red button. It's written subscribe. It's free of charge. At the same time, there's a bell a bell like a button that looks like a bell by the side. Click on it. That is the notification button. So that whenever we go live or post any video, you'll be duly notified. God bless you as you do so. Please share my lectures with your friends, your colleagues, your students, and your children. Someone out there may be in need of this lecture. If you have any question on this topic, in mathematics in general, please feel free to drop your question on this WhatsApp line. By God's grace, I'll make our time to attend to that question on this live video. God bless you as you listen, as you watch my lectures. We'll see tomorrow again by 3 a.m. Tomorrow being 9th December 2023. We'll meet here again by 3 a.m. See you there.